Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, today in our English Grammar Today book we are going to learn about antonyms and synonyms. Students, as you know, antonyms are the opposite words which are opposite, and synonyms are the similar words. For example, hot opposite cold, fast slow, same as in synonyms which are similar words. Present means gift and cat means kitty. They are same words. We will further discuss similar words like baby, infant. They are the similar words. And for example, if a race is going to start, we can say begin or start. They are same words. And big, and a similar word is huge. So students, I hope you understand, like bring and the similar word carry. Students, same as light and heavy are opposites, day and night opposite, and again top, and the opposite is bottom. So opposite is totally different, difficult, and the opposite is easy. So students, these are the examples. Now it's time to solve our page number 43 from our grammar today. As you can see, F activity at the top of the page. Match the words with the words that are similar in meanings. As we have discussed, similar means same words which have same meanings. For example, number 1, huge. So we will match it with enormous. Enormous, it has the same meaning. And tiny, we will search and match it with the tiny means little, fast, tidy, little. We have searched it at the top of the second column. Cheerful. So student, what does it means? Yes, happy. Quick. Quick means fast. And next, number 5, neat means tidy, chilly or warm. Yes, tidy. And hot means chilly or warm. We can understand hot means warm. So we will match hot with the warm. And then number 7, cold with the chilly. So we have matched the words with the words that are similar in meanings. Dear students, now we will do our G activity. We have to choose now opposites. As you can see at number 1, house number 55 is big, but house number 33 is small. Big, small, opposite. As you can see at number 2 sentence, the green cloth was smooth, but the red cloth was rough. Exactly, smooth, rough. At number 3, you can see Mr. Lion enjoys cold soup, but Mrs. Lion likes dash soup, hot soup. Student, we will choose the word from word bank and we will underline word, then we will write it. This will help us to choose. At number 4, you can see the old car is really slow, but the dash car is dash. There are 2 adjectives, old and slow, and their opposites are new. We will underline new. And then the second adjective is fast. Exactly. Slow, fast. Old, new, slow, fast. We are choosing opposites now. So we will write there the old car is really slow, but the new car is fast. As you can see at your next sentence, Rafika gave the correct answer, but Suhail gave the dash answer. Wrong. Exactly. We will underline the word wrong and we will write it here. At number 6, you can see Mr. Sajid asks easy questions, but Mr. Javed asks dash questions, difficult. Students, as you can see, I am underlining the words which I am going to write in the filling the blanks from the World Bank, so that it would be easy for me to choose the correct word. Students, as you can see in the next sentence, you should not use a dirty towel. You should always use a dash towel. What towel? Clean towel. Dirty, opposite, clean. So I will underline the word clean. I have chosen from the word bank, and now I will write here clean towel. In our next sentence, you can see turtles thinks worms are sweet, but they find leaves dash sweet, bitter. Students, by underlining like this, it is easy for us to find the right answer because we have now less options, so it's easy to choose. In our next sentence, you can see my neighbor is very polite lady, but her husband is very dash. Polite, rude. So I underline the word rude, and now I'm going to write here rude. because rude is the opposite word for polite. In last sentence you can see, please put the black vase on the table and the dashboard in the cupboard. So black, what is the opposite of black? White. Students, as you can see at the word bank that there are only two options left and I have to choose one, and the other option is written at the top of the sentence. So I will write white, and I know the opposite of black is white. Students, that is all for today. I hope you enjoy learning about similar words and the opposite words. I hope you will enjoy doing this activity at home. Thank you.